Commercial like this usually costs between $2,500 to $5,000. But I made it in my own living room with one AI tool, and I even turned it into a cup of Pinterest pins at the end. By the end of this video, you will see the full process from product photo to a finished commercial and a Pinterest pins. That's a studio, a photographer, a videographer, a stylist to set each scene, and an editor to cut it all together and create the full ad. And normally, days of work. Here's what I use instead for creating everything in a day at home with AI. So this is Solvane, a luxurious furniture brand, and let's say we have to promote this boucle accent chair. So the goal is simple: show it beautifully with real spaces, with real texture, and no boring images, just a product that looks like it belongs in a $5,000 ad. So here's the hard part though. It's not making one pretty shot. It's actually keeping this chair looking exactly the same texture and all across every single scene. For this video, I will be using Flova AI because it even has some ready built-in workflows to help us create great videos with very little effort. For this specific commercial, I will use their skill called Product Promo Video, which has the perfect workflow for my commercial. So I uploaded the chair photo, the logo,
and for this video, I'm selecting the AI model Seedance 2.5 because it has longer single generations, and you can also add up to 50 references for generating your video.
And just describe the style I want. A commercial to showcase the quality, versatility, and luxurious feeling of the chair.
So here it's asking a bit about how I want my video duration. I will go with this 30 seconds horizontal brand film, which is just what I had in mind.
It came back with a full video brief, and I review it here before approving anything, checking the tone, the format, and that it actually matched the brand. And this part would actually normally take a creative team a couple of hours to put everything together, and it took just a couple of minutes with Flova. Once I approved the brief, it generated the image prompt, then the actual send image, the chair in the living room, the reading corner, the detail shots. Some details I had to fix, so all you have to do is simply write back in the chat box or click here in this plus sign to ask it for any specific changes. And that's it, one shot adjusted and not the whole thing restarted. From there, it built the video prompts and generated each scene. Same chair, same texture, same base, carried automatically across every single scene. Then it generated the music and put the entire thing together. I decided to do some minor timing adjustments that I actually could do here inside of the timeline without leaving Flova for it to create the full commercial you saw at the beginning of this video. Now, once you have it done, it could be great for TV or for YouTube because it's horizontal. Now, here's the part that is important for publishing it on the brand's Pinterest account and any social media. Turning this into a vertical video we could use with social media. And it's just as simple as we did before to create the whole commercial. So we will go back to Flova just where we left it and write in the chat to generate a vertical version. In my case, I'm also asking for a shorter version.
And the process is the same. You can review each step before each generation, review any required details, and approve it once it's how you want it to be.
So this is the final vertical video ad. Could even ask for some variations. Everything is done very easily here in the chat box.
So for example, I asked for a couple of variations in the same style but for a different audience, for Gen Z, let's say, in a more colorful style of living room. Just like before, review every detail, approve it if everything is okay, and easily I've got another couple of variations for using on Pinterest or any social media and vertical ads. And if you want to create image pins, all you have to do is download the images generated for the video and use them for your Pinterest pin designs.
If you want to try this yourself, use my link in the description or in the pinned comment to sign up on Flova and get 100 free credits. After signing up, you can also earn an additional 200 credits by exploring Flova and completing the onboarding steps.